There are places on Earth that seem almost too beautiful to be real. Places where nature composed a masterpiece so perfect it takes your breath away. This is Interlaken, a jewel nestled in the heart of the Swiss Alps, where two pristine lakes embrace a valley and towering peaks stand sentinel over a landscape that has captivated travelers for centuries. Welcome to Switzerland's most stunning destination. The journey begins with Lake Brienz, a ribbon of turquoise water so vivid it seems painted by artists rather than nature. Fed by glacial melt from the surrounding mountains, the lake glows with an otherworldly blue-green color found nowhere else on Earth. The minerals suspended in the ice-cold water create this extraordinary hue that shifts with the sunlight, sometimes emerald, sometimes sapphire, always mesmerizing. Traditional wooden chalets dot the shoreline, their flower boxes overflowing with scarlet geraniums. Steamboats glide across the mirror-smooth surface, just as they have for over a century. Between the lakes lies Interlaken itself, a town whose very name means between the lakes. The Hoheimat, a vast meadow in the town's heart, was deliberately left open so that nothing obstructs the view of the Jungfrau massif rising in the distance. Here, paragliders drift down from mountain heights, their colorful canopies floating against the backdrop of eternal snow. Church spires pierce the skyline. The Eiger River, connecting both lakes, flows swift and clear through the town center. Horse-drawn carriages clip-clop along tree-lined boulevards that feel frozen in the elegance of a bygone era. But Interlaken is more than quaint beauty. It's the gateway to Alpine adventure. Rising beyond the town, the Bernese Oberland reveals its full glory. The Eiger, the infamous north face that has challenged and humbled mountaineers for generations. The Mönch, standing between its more famous neighbors like a silent monk. And the Jungfrau, the young maiden, her summit crowned with perpetual ice at 4,158 meters. These aren't just mountains, they're legends carved in stone and ice. From Harder Kulm, Interlaken's local mountain, the view unfolds like a revelation. Both lakes shimmer below. The town appears as a miniature model, and the great peaks stand in perfect alignment, their reflection trembling on the water's surface. Sunrise here paints the snow pink and gold. Sunset sets the glaciers ablaze with crimson fire. On the opposite side lies Lake Thun, deeper and darker than its turquoise sister. Medieval castles perch on promontories, Oberhofen, Thun, Spiez, their towers and ramparts testament to centuries of history. The lake stretches toward distant horizons where water and sky merge into infinity. In summer, sailboats lean into the wind. In winter, snow descends to the water's edge, transforming the landscape into a Christmas card come to life. The mountains reflect perfectly in the lake's deep blue waters, creating a symmetry so complete that earth and sky become one. This is Interlaken, where nature achieved perfection, where glacial lakes cradle a valley, where mountains touch the heavens, where every season paints the landscape anew, where adventure and tranquility exist in perfect harmony. The Swiss knew what they had discovered here. They protected it, preserved it, and shared it with the world without diminishing its magic. Whether you stand on these shores breathing alpine air or watch from afar and dream, Interlaken reminds us that Earth still holds places of pure, untouched beauty. Places where nature's grandeur makes us feel small and infinite all at once. Places that change us simply by existing. This is Interlaken. This is Switzerland. This is wonder made visible.